going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be back to work on this Dodge Ram. As you guys know, we've had this thing for quite some time, and we actually got it painted, and it's just been sitting there curing. Haven't really messed with it. And I'll give you guys a little update why I haven't posted in such a long time. And basically, I was working at the Goon Squad garage, and that job took us like 2 weeks, and it was a lot of hard work. And then when I got back to my shop, I was like, you know what? I'm going to take care of some of my projects that I have here at the shop. So I went ahead and knocked out all the Sentras, basically got them all ready for paint. They're at the other shop, and they're ready to go. All I have to do is paint them. And I really just wanted a little bit of a break from all this filming and editing, stuff like that. But now we're back to work here at the shop. I also did a little bit of reorganizing here. As you guys know, there was a couple of shelves right there, removed everything, and then I also installed all these new lights right here just to get more lighting inside the shop. And here is the Dodge Ram that we actually fixed. This thing wasn't even wrecked too hard, but it was just kind of like everywhere, and I have trouble fixing cars that are just destroyed everywhere because there's so much little things that you have to do. But anyways, let's jump right into it. The first thing we're going to do on this truck is basically go ahead and start putting together these doors right here. As you guys know, on Dodge Rams, you basically have to strip everything down just to get the door handle off. You have to strip everything out of the door. So as you can see, the window is just showing in there, and we have all the stuff right here. So we're going to basically just go ahead and slap all these doors back together, get the handles on there, get the windows on, and basically knock out the center of this truck. So check it out, guys. We got the entire truck all back together, and I gotta say, everything went together effortlessly. We got all the moldings on, we got all the door panels on. We did give it a little bit of a clean. As you guys know, this was a contractor's truck, so this thing was dirty as heck, but it's coming together nicely. So we got all four doors all back together, all the door handles, and now it's time to go ahead and start working on the front end. We need to put the front grille together, also put the headlights on. We also got the bumper, so we pretty much have everything just to slap this truck back together. So let's get straight to it. So we got the entire front end together, and I gotta say, this truck looks absolutely amazing, especially with the upgraded headlights right here. These are from carparts.com, and these are not just your basic halogen lights. It's actually a conversion kit, because this one had just a regular halogen, and now we upgraded it to HID, which is gonna be really nice, especially when you're driving at night, man. You gotta have them upgraded headlights. But now that we got the entire front end back together, let's go ahead and turn this sucker around and start working on the rear end. So we got the truck backed into here, and now we're gonna go ahead and reassemble basically everything. We got the new tailgate right here, and we got the old one. We're going to have to disassemble the old one, get all the components out of it, install it into the new tailgate. And then we're also going to go ahead and throw on both fender liners on both sides. And I'm not sure what we're going to do about this bed right here. As you can see, there's a lot of paint in here, but I think I'm just going to take it to a shop or somebody who does bed lining and just get them to do a nice professional job in here. Because honestly, the kits they sell, I think, are like 150 bucks, and it's really not as strong. As you can see, this is the factory one from that bedside, which will have to be sanded down real nice. And I think we'll just take it somewhere. But right now, what we're gonna do is basically put everything back together on the truck, go ahead and throw the rear bumper on, and have this whole thing complete. Check it out, we got the entire rear end all back together, and man, I gotta say, I am loving the rough country rear bumper that we have on this truck. As you can see, it looks sick, and it also has nice little steps on the side, because this is gonna be a nice work truck, so we're definitely gonna need that. We are missing a couple of things. Unfortunately, this side piece right here that we had bought is a little bit too long. You can see it kind of sticks out. I guess it's from the longer bed, but we got another one on order, so we'll get that on as soon as possible. But now what we're gonna do is go ahead and install the leveling kit in the front. As you can see, the truck kind of sits like way too low in the front, and it just looks goofy and dumb. So let's go ahead and pull this truck in forwards and get it jacked up and install this rough country leveling kit. So guys, check it out. We also went ahead and went to the tire shop, got some new tires put on, got alignment, and I gotta say this thing drives absolutely amazing. But this build couldn't have been possible without carparts.com. As you guys know, this truck was completely destroyed on basically every corner of the truck, and we reached out to carparts.com and we pretty much got all the parts for this truck. And as you can see, we also have upgraded headlights. So carparts.com isn't just for getting replacement parts. You can also upgrade your car or truck as you please. And check that out. We basically got everything on this truck. We had the front bumper, the grill, the hood, both fenders. We even got the tailgate for this truck, the mirrors. And basically this entire truck right here was rebuilt with one website, carparts.com. And I can't thank them enough for sponsoring this truck. And I gotta say, this truck is already helping us. Check this out. We went to the metal store and we did get some more steel right here for the Mustang. We need to hurry up and finish the flares on this car because I haven't actually worked on this car for quite some time. It's been like 2 months. And then we got the Ferrari back there. We are waiting on some parts, but check that out. We're already putting this thing to use, and the bed is a little bit jacked up right here. You can see, I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the maxi dent puller, pull out some of these dents on this bed, and then basically just bed line everything. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I'm super sorry for the lack of uploads. You know, I took some time off. I got pretty much all my cars done. This is the last truck. I think we have the S2000. We're gonna knock the S2000 out, and the only cars I'm gonna have is this Mustang right here, and then the Ferrari back there, which we are waiting. We are waiting for some parts for the Ferrari back there, but I'm just excited to get back on this Mustang. You know, we got that rear axle under there. But anyways, guys, if y'all enjoyed this episode, go ahead and hit that like button. Also follow us on Instagram at VTune. Thanks for watching.